We're on Storm Watch this morning. Let's talk about it because we have a big winter storm heading our way. Today might be a good day to prepare, and we've been talking about that. And, you know, we say this every once in a while, and we say, well, there's a storm coming, and sometimes it doesn't pan out. True, there is a possibility this might not pan out, but it does look, all indications are that this one is going to be a big storm. It will really take shape to this afternoon with the snow starting. Could it start in some locations as early as this morning with some light snow. And then tonight, heavier snow overnight tonight, becoming very windy with blizzard-like conditions. So at 10 o'clock this morning, mostly cloudy, 24 degrees, and some places will see some light snow. 32 degrees at 3 o'clock, 29 degrees at 7 o'clock, and snowing. The snow and the wind makes this the severe weather index at high. Now, not so much for what's going to happen over the next, say, 6 to 8 hours, but what's going to happen after that. Snow today and tomorrow certainly is the weather story, and it is Winter Storm Allison. Let me show you where it will be at 10 o'clock this morning. The snow will be in Milwaukee and Madison, or at least a band of snow will be in those locations, and even into Fond du Lac by that time. At 3 o'clock, notice the snow expands from the south to the north, almost getting into the Green Bay area. After that, then, 6 o'clock. Here is the picture. You can see Madison, Milwaukee, Fond du Lac getting the snow into Green Bay, and then heavier snow overnight tonight. Definitely after midnight up to about 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow, we're going to have some heavy snow. The winds pick up out of the east-northeast up to 35-mile-an-hour gusts, and this is a blizzard-like condition here tonight. So we're going to deal with that into the morning hours. Tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, notice, continuing with the snow, and then even at noon, the snow continues at 3 o'clock, starting to diminish a little bit, and finally out of here by Thursday morning. How much will we receive? 8 to 12 inches in much of the state, and some locations right along the lakeshore could even see more than that, maybe 14 inches. Where is it right now? Well, it's actually just now moving into the panhandle here, but it started way back here, right outside of Las Vegas, and the way it's tracking is giving us big swath of some heavier snow, not only for us, but all the way back into parts of Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and all the way back into Colorado. So we already saw that futurecast. Let me tell you what to expect from Allison. Snow falling, and it starts for the most part at 11 o'clock this morning or noon and continues until tomorrow afternoon. Heaviest accumulation will be overnight tonight, and blizzard-like conditions will be tonight and tomorrow. We're talking about winds of 35 miles an hour. Right now it's 21 degrees in Green Bay, 21 in Appleton, 21 in Shawano. And again, we have not only winter storm warnings in effect for us, but the entire state under a winter storm warning. The reds here, back into parts of Iowa, a blizzard warning. So some light snow developing today, maybe 1 to 2 inches by sunset, 32 degrees. And then tonight, heavy snow overnight, windy conditions 28. We're talking about tomorrow morning. At this time, could even have 8 inches on the ground in most locations. So there is the anticipated snowfall totals. Here's your Snow Tracker X. We are getting some light snow to the south. And let me show you the 7-day forecast. Lost in this entire information is the 7-day forecast. We are going to come out of this, Angela.
I was wondering.
Yeah, I can tell you that. Won't be till Thursday, and the high will only be 11, but at least we're going to get out of the snow.